Hey guys, what is this hair? Oh my god. Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I'm going to do my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. So I did pause the original Glam Bag Plus, I think that's what it's called, for this month of December. It does cost like $25. I think this one is like $50. I can't remember, but it's getting to be a lot of money every month, and I should have paused all of my stuff this month. But Birchbox is giving me the hardest time with trying to cancel my subscription. So if you have any thoughts or ideas on how to do that, please let me know. They like won't let me cancel it. It's the weirdest thing. But I wanted to unbox this. I just cut this open. I literally just got it in the mail. I wasn't even going to film this. I need to wrap Christmas presents right now. But since I have a couple minutes before I pick up my son, I have like an hour before I pick up my son, so I wanted to film this really quick so that I can edit it and upload it here soon. So when you open it up, it just says discover yourself, and their new color of this padding thing is orange, and then you get everything inside. So this little pamphlet tells you everything that's in the Glam Bag Ultimate. I don't know if they have more than one version of it. I have no idea. But, ooh, let's see. Wow. Okay. I have four of these Feel Brilliant Bamboo charcoal facial sheet masks. If I remember correctly, I do like these. They are like a black mask. And I don't know, yeah, I love sheet masks. You guys know that. I talk about them all the time on my channel. I was actually just talking about some today, talking about my 2019 favorites. So that video, if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it up above here. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. I think I've used one before, but I can't be certain. So now I will definitely be able to know if they do anything for you. I should tell you prices as I go, right? I don't want to like spoil everything. So the sheet mask set of 4 is $35, and that is considered a full-size value. Then we got a Ipsy bag, which these bags are actually super, super nice. I've gotten them before in the past, but they're really nice for brushes and for like foundations and concealer and like things that are a bit longer. So yeah, I mean, I don't need any more bags, let's be honest. But yeah, it's really nice, very festive for the holiday. I'm gonna grab the big guy in here. This is like a huge box. This is from Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Is that how you pronounce that? I don't even know. Gommage. Let's open her up. It is a cruelty-free company. It says no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, or phthalates, so that's pretty cool. This is like a thick, like a big, thick guy. I mean, it's shorter, but it's big. This is 5.07 fluid ounces. Oh, it comes with its own like little safety seal. It's like right here instead of being like the foil inside. Oh. Okay, don't do that. It doesn't come off. Anyways, so this seems like it is a face scrub, so that's really cool. The price of that face scrub is a full-size value, and that is $28. So let me just finish all the full-size items in here. What is this? This is Complex Culture Contour Brush. Look at this packaging. Like, I kind of love this packaging. It's so simple and beautiful. So this is the Contour and Blush Brush. Let's see. Okay, this is huge packaging for this, but this looks like a really interesting brush. Ooh, it's a lot of dirt coming out of there, so I'll definitely have to wash this one before I use it, which you should do anyways, just so you know, because factory hands and things have been on this, but like, could definitely use this for a contour, I guess for a blush, yeah. This is an interesting shape. Do you guys see that? I love the color of it. It's like this gray toned color, and it does have like that soft touch, like bristle or brush end. And then the ferrule is like ginormous, so hopefully this thing never comes apart, but I will definitely have to wash that before I use it. Let's see if I can find a price. That is a $35 brush. Holy shnikes, that is expensive. Okay. The next thing is from 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. This is the Cryo Activating Hydra Gel. Let's see what this is for. Apply in small circular motions morning and night after cleansing and toning. If used as part of the 111 Skin regimen, used in combination with the 111 Skin Crypto ATP Sports Booster. I don't know, this looks like a nice size box there. Okay, this is like really weighty, like extremely weighty. I'm very curious to try this out. I have heard that this is a nice brand. Pretty full, and it doesn't have any like signature scent that I'm picking up. It does have like a slight scent to it, but it's just like a clean scent. It doesn't have like a particular scent. So I will have to try that out as a hydrator slash moisturizer for my skin, especially now in the winter time. I am dry. I am a dry little gal. Okay, so that is what? No, that's not true. There's no way that that costs this much. In here, in the pamphlet, it's saying that that is a $200 product. Really? I don't, okay. Okay, I don't believe that, but okay, we're gonna just go with it. So they are saying that this is part of my full-size product, which I don't like, but these are from Galactic, and these are the 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balms, and I got the shades Periwinkle and Twinkle. I don't think that these are full-size at all, and they don't come with their own. I was just trying to pull off the back to see if they came with their own little, ooh. That is the weirdest form of a balm I've ever seen. It is like the tube. Like, I don't know what I'm like thinking right now, but they're very balmy. Interesting. Okay. I could try this out. These two like shimmer shades here are those two shades, which look very similar. The one has just got the purple reflect, and the other one's got like a purpley gold reflect. So I don't know. I'm willing to try these though. I love balms and glosses and stuff, and these are kind of like a hybrid, I guess. Very weird. I was not expecting that in this packaging. So let's see. That last, oh no, second to last full-size product is $34 for the duo of them, and it looks like they do sell them in a duo. So okay, and then the final full-size item is a Morphe palette, which I am not sad about. This is the 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Highlight and Contour Palette. Okay. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like coconuts. Oh, is it just like, is there something else in here that's smelling like coconuts? All I'm smelling right now is coconuts. The box doesn't smell like coconuts. Okay, something else has to be smelling like coconuts because I don't think it's this product. But nonetheless, this is really interesting. So it looks like there's 4 shades of contour slash bronzers. The 4 bigger ones and the 4 smaller ones look like the highlighter shades. This does look like a lighter toned person's palette, so I do appreciate that. I hope that Morphe was smart and came out with multiple shades for darker tones as well. The white highlighter in here has like a purpley pinky reflect. The yellow highlighter is just a yellow highlighter. Cosmic is more of a champagne-y toned highlighter. And then we have like a goldy toned highlighter. So, I mean, they're not super impressive. They're really lightweight on the skin, or really light toned on the skin. Not very blinding, but I'm not really into a blinding highlight right now anyways. So I could probably roll with that. Now, the shade that I'm really gravitating towards here in the contour shades is this cool tone shade in the shade, I was gonna say coconut, but it's the shade Donut. And even like swatch, that looks really warm toned. Can you even see that? Am I doing a terrible job swatching? Probably. I will have to try this palette out and see what I think. Would I have purchased this on my own accord? No, probably not. But I'm willing to give it a go and see if it's any good. I have found contour and highlight palettes like the one from IBY Beauty. I freaking love that one, and had I not gotten it in a subscription box, I probably would have never tried it, and having tried it, I will definitely repurchase it when I'm done with it. So this could be an instance like that. You never know until you try. So willing to try this one. So it's saying that that Morphe palette is $25. So what I do like about these little pamphlets for the Glam Bag Ultimate is that one side, this side here, is all of the full-size items, and the opposite side is all of the sample size items, or things that they're considering sample sizes. So I do appreciate that, except for I do think that there are two of the full sizes on the sample size side. So I think they are considering these two full sizes as well. So we got an Illamasqua black liquid eyeliner. Oh, it does have a felt tip pen, which is my favorite, but I don't want to swatch it yet because I don't want to use it until I'm ready. And then this is from Fluid. It's a liquid lipstick in the shade Candy Bar. Okay, this feels really cheap. And it was like separated. Oh, I love that color though. And I don't mind the smell. It has like a very vanilla-y smell to it. That is the liquid lipstick. That actually looks super, super nice. I'm curious to see if that's going to dry down by the time I'm finished with this, so we shall see. That Illamasqua liquid eyeliner is $22, and the Fluid Candy Bar liquid lipstick is $16. Okay. Alright, so we got something from Pixi by Petra. I do really like Pixi products, however, I don't always love their eyeshadows, and that's exactly what this looks like. It doesn't particularly say that it's eyeshadows. It does say a mesmerizing mineral duo in mineral bronze. So let's open her up. Typically, I would just say, well, I'm not going to open this one and I'm going to pass along. But I've been really wanting to try more Pixi products, so let's open this up. This was like really safety sealed. I'm kind of glad about that because then you know nobody touched it. But that is what she looks like. There's like a light color and a dark color, perfect for on the go. Something like for me when I'm at work and too lazy to bring a full face of makeup and I just want something on my eyes. These are really pretty too. There's the light shade and the dark shade. Those swatched beautifully. I can totally see myself wearing these on the eyes. So I'm actually going to keep this one. It's nothing like new. Like these colors are definitely not like colors that you've never seen before, but okay, I'm into it. I'm into it. So that duo is, it just says it is a deluxe sample size. It doesn't give a price on here. It says the value of the full size version of the product is $12. So I would assume that that's around $5 to $6 maybe. I don't know what the full size looks like, but that's my guess. Okay, and then we have something from Space Case Cosmetics. So this was also bubble wrapped, which I do appreciate. And this looks like it is the Scene from Space highlighter. So I have gotten a Space Case eyeshadow before, I believe. It was like a single. Oh, this looks like ColourPop packaging. Like literally, this is totally ColourPop packaging. Look, it's just blue. See? Let's see if it's... Okay, it is just like a solid highlighter. It is not like the Super Shock Shadow highlighters, which... it's kind of funny. I don't know. I don't know why that's funny. Okay, very powdery. but very beautiful. It's like got a rose gold color to it. It's not super blinding. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's right there. It's very subtle on the skin. I'm totally into subtle highlighters, and I could roll with this. This is the Scene from Space. Now, would I have named it that because it's so subtle? Definitely not. But I'm definitely willing to try this and see what I think. That highlighter has a value of $9. Okay, the next, I only have 2 more items in here. I did not get any extras this time. I didn't think I needed any, but I thought I got some. I almost could have sworn I got some, and I got like $3 off. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. There's nothing in my box, so maybe I didn't. But anyways, I got the Delectable Butter Balm Hand Cream Triple Citrus Blend. I bet this smells like citrusy, and it's closed. I can still get like a citrus scent to it, which is really, really cool. This is made in Canada, and it is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's really cool as well. Definitely will come into use here in the winter time. I have a couple other hand creams that I'm going to work through first, but this is definitely on my list. And that is, it just says it is, again, a deluxe size sample. The full size of the product is $9. The final thing I have here is Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original by Vanilla Company. Maybe I'll try this tonight. This is a new cleansing balm. I have been reviewing, like my own personal self, a bunch of different cleansing balms, and I'm gonna do a compare and contrast video for you guys so that if you're looking for something specific in your cleansing balm versus something else, I will do that very, very soon, and maybe I can add this in now. I believe that you can find this at Ulta, which is really cool. I had never heard of it before looking on my little spoilers, because I have to, at my Ipsy, like online, and yeah, I'm really interested in this, and I will definitely see how that goes. Again, this says it is a deluxe size sample. The full size value of the product is $19. It doesn't give you the size of the full size, which would be really nice, but that's okay. So that was everything that I got in Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. It is now cleaned out and now I have to put everything away because I have so much stuff out from filming today and doing other things that I need to clean the office again for the second time today, which is really sad, but you know, the life of a beauty YouTuber. And let's see this. So this liquid lipstick did dry down. It is completely dry, and it does look like it is a maybe like a satin matte formula. I don't know. I'm definitely willing to give it a go though. Always willing to try stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.